Hello and welcome to my channel, Design by Josephine and Josee. And today's video is outdoor fall Thanksgiving decor video. So I wanted to share with everyone how you can make your front door, your front porch, and also your backyard look very elegant, sophisticated, and magnificent for Thanksgiving. And if you want to wow your guests, I'm going to be sharing how you can make your front door, your front porch, and also your backyard look elegant for Thanksgiving. So before I share all of the details on how you can make your outdoor space look absolutely gorgeous for Thanksgiving, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week on my channel, and if you are into tablescapes, home decor, gardening, and how to entertain at home, then you can definitely subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. Now, I do have more Thanksgiving tablescape videos that I am going to be putting out before Thanksgiving. You can also check out other fall and Thanksgiving tablescapes that I have done. So I'm going to be linking them down below in the description box. And please be sure to check out the community tab because I am going to be adding some past videos that I have done for Thanksgiving as far as the tablescapes. And also, please be sure to check out other videos that I have, all of my social media. Everything is going to be down below in the description box. So now let me go ahead and get started and share how you can make your front door, front porch, and backyard look elegant for Thanksgiving. So the first tip that I want to share is, of course, adding outdoor lighting to make it look more inviting for your guest. And as you can see in this picture right here, there are some lanterns that are placed right on the pathway to create a very inviting and sophisticated look. You can also add outdoor candles as well. Adding a beautiful wreath that have fall decor on it as well look absolutely gorgeous. And you can find beautiful wreaths everywhere at home decor stores and also Amazon. Please be sure to check out my Amazon store if you want a beautiful wreath. And of course, Amazon always ships really quickly. So if you have Amazon Prime, you can actually get it the next day. So now the last section that I want to talk about is the backyard. And you can also make your backyard look very elegant for Thanksgiving. Again, adding lighting, pumpkins, candles, and fall flowers as well. As you can see in this picture, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Please be sure to check out my other videos and also to check out my Amazon store as well. And I'll continue to do more tablescape videos, more gardening videos, more home decor videos, and more how to entertain at home videos. Bye-bye and God bless.